Modern car navigation systems have evolved into complex integrated platforms that combine navigation, entertainment, connectivity, and vehicle controls into a single interface. Due to their complexity, these systems can sometimes experience glitches, freezing, or performance issues that require a reset to restore proper functionality. There are two primary types of resets available for car navigation systems: soft resets and factory resets. Each serves a different purpose and has different effects on your system. A soft reset is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory and resolves minor glitches without deleting any of your saved data, settings, or preferences. You can usually perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, or by using specific button combinations that vary by manufacturer. A factory reset, on the other hand, is a more drastic measure that restores the system to its original state, completely erasing all user data, saved locations, and custom settings. Factory resets are typically accessed through hidden service menus or specific procedures, and should only be used when a soft reset fails to resolve the issue. Understanding the difference between these reset types can save you time and prevent unnecessary data loss. Always try a soft reset first, as it resolves most common issues without affecting your personal settings. Now we'll learn how to perform both soft resets and factory resets on your car's navigation system. The most common solution is a soft reset. Start by locating your infotainment system's power button. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. The system will shut down and automatically restart, clearing temporary glitches. Some manufacturers use specific button combinations instead. Check your owner's manual for your vehicle's exact procedure. According to 2024 data, soft resets successfully resolve 73% of navigation system issues. This makes them your best first option. If a soft reset doesn't solve the problem, you may need a factory reset. However, this will erase all your personal settings and saved locations. Before performing a factory reset, back up any important data if possible. The process varies by manufacturer, but often involves accessing system settings or hidden service menus. If you're unsure about performing a factory reset, or if the problem persists, consult a professional technician. They have specialized tools and knowledge to safely resolve complex issues.